Stay out of the light.
敢阻挠我们的人，绝不饶恕。我们不许失败。
这边没有问题。电梯没有异常。
有什么发现吗？
Nice and easy. Tall building. Firebombs? Seriously? Not good. There's Standish.
Okay, now what?
Enter your password.
他死了是吧？别低估他，注意电梯附近。
He sounds nervous. Maybe I should take him out.
2号单位，检查通讯。谁去干2号？全状况。这就去。单位失踪了，一定是猪猪侠。如果他聪明，早就跑了。他一定就在附近。 怎么做到了？
人都会流血。
他受伤了。同志，挡住了。光头留在这儿。
Yeah, I'll be honest. That one looks better broken. Need to clear the room before I talk to Standish. Okay, all clear. Hope Standish is all right. Let's try this again. It's safe now. What were they after?
Just financial records.
About Devil's Breath?
How do you know about that?
Why do they want it?
I don't even know what it is. Mr. Osborn's been pouring money into it for years, but he keeps the whole project a secret. I'm the only one who has any record of it.
Not anymore. Looks like they copied some records to a secure server. Payroll information. On a Dr. Isaac Delaney. Who is he?
I honestly don't know.
Down!
Come on, come on!
Wait, the elevator! Hold on! Almost got him! Try to fall slower! Gotcha! You okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Good. Good. You know, as elevator shafts go, this is pretty nice. Hey, Yuri.
You okay?
Yeah, but I didn't get much out of Standish before these Sable guys stepped in and told me to back off. What's the deal?
I get the sense all they care about is keeping him quiet.
Because he knows about Devil's Breath.
Right. Whatever the hell that is.
I'm working on that. I think I just got a lead.
A lead? You sound like a cop.
Don't you mean... Spider Cop? Yuri? That's fair.
Peter, what happened with Standish?
He's safe.
Okay, good. And the demons?
They were looking for a name. You got a pen?
Yeah, go.
Dr. Isaac Delaney.
Okay. Who is he? What's his deal?
I was hoping you could tell me.
I'm on it. Just give me a few. Oh, and before I forget, you left that tracker from Tombstones at my place. I'll drop it at Dr. Octavius's lab. Let you know what I find on Delaney.
Need backup for a chase in progress. Please respond. Reported location is in the vicinity of Nomad.
Those lunatics will kill someone driving like that.
And she wants it back because you stole it to use in a robbery. Pull over.
You tell Susie she wants a POS back so fast, she can come to me! He's on the roof!
Okay, you are not getting 5 stars.
Spider-Man! Every street function to the next fist!
Curbside service.
Blow him away!
Gotta give that wheelman props. Manhattan rush hour is no joke. Take it from here, Spider-Man.
Hey, do you have time to check something out for me?
No, but if you ask nicely.
Just got a call about a suspicious-looking box on a rooftop in Hell's Kitchen. I could call in the bomb squad, but if it's just some kid's science project...
Yeah, I know. Budget crisis, yada yada yada. So...
Will you please check it out?
There's the magic word. I hope it's some kid's science project. Man, I miss those days. School projects are so much easier than real-life projects. Message from Doc.
Sorry to call so late. My mind's bursting with ideas. We've been thinking too small, Peter. Why replace missing limbs with facsimiles when we can improve upon them? People who've lost an arm understandably want it back, but we can give them something better. The human body doesn't need to be our default. We can go so far beyond it. Just some thoughts to conjure with.
Doc's really giving it both barrels. Hope he doesn't burn himself out.
We do not wish to harm these people. We are an order of peace, tranquility, and...
Looks military grade. Weird.
Spider-Man, so you found one of my recon points.
Who is this?
Wrong question. The correct one is, can you stop the bombs I've planted?
Mystery Man's got recon points spread all over the city. This computer's tracking bombs around the district, and they're about to go off. I gotta move. I don't have much time. Boom goes the dynamite. Okay, one more. Could have done better.
Nice work with the bombs, but you lean into your throat too much. Hurts the accuracy.
Is this some kind of sick game to you?
Games are for kids, and I'm a professional, and I get paid like it.
Guess your client wasted their money.
Sometimes information's worth more than money, and I've learned plenty watching you.
MJ, what did you find out about Isaac Delaney?
Check out the picture I just sent.
Which one is Delaney?
I don't know. Guess you'll have to go to the party to find out.
Good thing I already have a costume.
Attention all units. We have confirmed reports of an active bomb. Any officers near Hell's Stacks, please copy.
Missed a call from Aunt May.
Peter, I spoke to Miles's mother, and she loved the idea of him working here. Oh, the poor woman's grieving herself while trying to be strong for her son. She needs some time to just grieve, and he needs to see that life's still worth living. That was a very thoughtful suggestion, Peter. The kind that would have made Ben proud.
Not again! Not on my watch! Okay, safe to disarm the primary device. Bad time to get sweaty palms. That did it. One down. Secondary bombs are on a timer, though. Gotta hurry to disarm them.
Close one. Nice work up there, Spider-Man.
Just another day in the life. You and your men take care, officer.
Attention agents in Roseville. This is Control. What's your status?
Traffic control point Charlie taking fire from the...
Gotta stop this before it turns into a massacre.
Of terrorists assassinate American citizens in a bombing. How is it possible that instead of being wiped out of existence, these mass criminals are still at large and still...
Masked terrorists have taken a bus hostage. Response needed north of Houston.